take them.
That was mine, man. You found that one? Yeah, babe.
Yep.
Yep. Hi, babe. Good night. First kill.
He dead. Those birds?
Bro, we broke the curse.
Yeah, broke the curse. He cut hard to the left though. I don't see him anymore. Good morning and welcome back to another 40 Runners. I don't know how well you guys can hear me because it's pretty windy out of the south. We got 2 down and things are just getting started here. Hopefully with these high winds we got a pretty big spread going on. Hopefully these ducks want to dip down. We're at the same pond we were at last week where we've been the last couple weeks I should say, where we've been getting ringbills almost every time we're here. So we brought some diver decoys with us today. Yeah, we're hoping for the best. So it's awesome out here today. It's finally nice having a windy day. Mallards, I think.
Yeah.
Are they dead then? Yeah, I think they're dead. That's what we want. It's weird that they want to go left of the geese though.
They want to get tight.
That's alright, but
Watch that one on the left there. He's not dead.
I don't see. Oh. I had a dud.
Careful, dude. Those.
We got ducks right here, never mind. We'll see if they go down into them. Shot that pair, and one was a swimmer and he kind of got out far real quick on me. I took a couple cracks at him, but he's somewhere in these weeds. I don't know if he dove, but I've been looking for him. I can't find him, so maybe we'll come back and look later. It's pretty open here too. I should just see him laying or something, but I'm sure he dove. It's a bummer. I think he dove. I should have seen him if he was out.
I figure you're looking for him hard.
Yeah.
See the other one on the water though? We got 2.
Yeah, it's already way.
Oh, next guy.
Huh?
Okay.
You grabbed it?
Mine with the spinner, a little to the left of the spinner.
We got 3 down.
That one, yeah. If I knew right away he was alive, could have maybe got shots. I'm sweaty now.
Thanks for looking.
Yeah. These two might still do it. I say if they come close enough, we just take them on that pass. Take them. Nice. Nice. Take them. Nice. That's what we wanted, you guys. Beautiful. Shoot. Yeah, I guess keep putting them in them till they're still.
They don't want to be eaten.
That's 3 that have dove on us today. Oh, someone hit his wing. Dude, the sun blinded me. I pulled up and then all of a sudden I couldn't see. There we go. I think he's dead, his belly up. They came out of nowhere, eh? Man, those ones came out of nowhere. 2 teal. That was sweet.
No need for a spinner wing.
No need for spinners today. Shoot that one. Gadwall. Just talking about it. Nice.
Yep.
Nice. Holy cow, that was a far shot.
That was such a cool drop.
Woo! That was long. Alright, a little update, you guys. It is 9:20. We just saw a good 5-6 nice groups of ducks. They didn't really want to work with us, but we got, I think, 5 on the water dead. So we got to go pick those up. They've blown way over to the opposite shore. But yeah, we're probably going to stay out here for another good 40 minutes and see what happens. Things are still kind of moving. We might have to take them on this pass, you guys. Oh, I should have taken them. Yeah, take them. Yeah, take them. We get 2. Shoot that one again. sorts of gunked up. I gotta get it switched. That was awesome. 2 more gadwalls. It's like 9:45, you guys. Probably gonna give it till 10. I don't know how well you guys can hear me. It's really, the wind's really moving today. But we have, I think, 7 ducks to pick up on the water. But yeah, what a variety of ducks here. We got gadwall, teal, mallard, and a wood duck. The divers have not showed up today. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for tomorrow's hunt because a lot of big groups of ducks we've been seeing have been landing in kind of a different pond we hunted a few weeks ago where we did really well with mallards. You guys can check out that video. It was a couple weeks ago, and the wind's perfect for us to go back in there tomorrow. So that's the plan. Tomorrow we're gonna go to that other pond. Hopefully we get there before anyone. This has been a great hunt so far. The shooting's been kind of poor. At least I feel I've been not shooting the best today. My wife's making breakfast for all of us. Excited for breakfast. All right, you guys, Jude's pushing me out. I'm gonna go pick up ducks. Most of the ducks are on the opposite side of the pond, so they're gonna keep hunting while I go grab these. Alex is looking for 2 of them we downed over here that dove. We had a mallard dive right in the kill hole right here. I'm gonna go take a peek for. Yeah, let's hope we can find some of these ones that dove. Yeah, I don't know. It's so thick, he could have got way down in there. See what we got here. Oh man, green wing. Just a tiny guy. So we got 2 right here. The rest are going to be up against the reeds, I think. Another beautiful green wing. Mallard hen. Nice gaddy, you guys. Look at that. Beautiful brownish red. It's been a while since I shot one of these in Minnesota. Beautiful. Oh, there's the other one. Somewhere. 2 are right here, you guys. This will be our 7 that we're on the water. Beautiful gaddies. Look at that. It's the most gadwalls I've ever shot in Minnesota. I think this is the drake right here. Maybe. Look at that. Beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, you guys, that's the 7. I'm gonna go back and start picking up decoys. It's gonna be a hike on the way back. This wind is crazy. Look at that's a gadwall. You've probably never seen a gadwall before, have you?
Dude, what a big duck.
And another gaddy.
Dude, we did. Wow.
Another gaddy. I love getting into these gaddies. I haven't shot this many since North Dakota.
Put that one on me. 2 more.
Wow.
2 teal.
2 green wing, which is sick.
3 total.
Yeah.
Take one more look, make sure we got everything.
Alright, so that was the setup today. Tomorrow we're going way over there. We're going to try to be the first ones on that pond that a lot of these big groups of ducks were landing. sea pond. We're getting out of here. What a hunt, you guys. That was a fun one. There was 6 of us out here. We ended up with 10 ducks that we physically have, and then 3 sadly ended up diving. We tried looking for those 2. They kind of got up in this stuff. I actually kicked one up. It was a hen woody, and it, you know, started going away from me, and then bloop, just down under. Then we had a fatty, nice colored out greenhead that dove on us. And then there was one other one. I think it might have been a mallard hen. If there's any advice I could give you guys, shoot them till they stop moving. Especially if you don't have a dog and you're on this is a really weedy pond. They can easily dive down, clamp onto something, you'll lose them. So that's my little advice in this video. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. I hope it turned out good. There was a lot of times where it was slow to get the GoPro on. The ducks just kind of surprised us. Probably gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget, hit that like button and also subscribe. It's 100% free. It doesn't cost you anything. Help grow the channel, help build the audience, help reach new people that haven't seen the channel. I'd really greatly appreciate it. And yeah, we're gonna be right back out here tomorrow. Not at the pond behind me, but we'll be somewhere here in Minnesota. All right, catch you in the next one.